Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone can run back tap. Make sure iOS is 14 or newer. Once done, go to Settings, Accessibility, then Touch. Back tap sits at the bottom. Tap it, choose double or triple, and assign a built-in action or a shortcut. This wiring is how taps trigger results. Make sure you select a distinct action so you can clearly tell whether the tap registered, and proceed to test with the next steps. Once back tap is assigned, you refine what it does. If you want custom functionality, create a shortcut first, then assign that shortcut. Grant any location, camera, or automation permissions so it runs reliably. Next, test by tapping the phones back in natural spots. Try with the case on, then off, because cases can dampen taps. If taps feel inconsistent, disable reachability or assistive touch temporarily to avoid gesture clashes, and make small adjustments until the action fires consistently. To finish, validate reliability. Restart your iPhone and retest back tap several times. That clears transient software states. If it still misbehaves, reset all settings in Settings General Transfer or reset to clear conflicting preferences. This preserves your data but restores defaults. Finally, update iOS or backup and restore as a last software step. Key troubleshooting tip. If nothing helps, remove the case and clean the back. A physical obstruction or hardware fault often causes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.